In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Kanban view in Airtable. The Kanban view is perfect for tracking work as it moves through stages. Think to do, in progress, and done, so you can see the flow at a glance and keep your team aligned. Start by opening Airtable in your browser. Once you're in, head to the app, sometimes called a base, that contains the table you want to visualize. This ensures you're building the view right where your records already live. On the left side of the screen, find the Views panel and click Create New. We're going to add a brand new view rather than modifying an existing one, which makes it easy to experiment without changing anyone else's setup. From the list of view types, choose Kanban. This option lays out your records as cards and columns grouped by a specific field. It's especially helpful for project status, pipelines, or any process with defined stages. You'll be prompted to name the view. Type a clear, descriptive name that makes sense to teammates, like marketing pipeline or sprint board. Consistent naming helps people discover and reuse the view later. Next, set who can edit this view. Pick the level of access that matches your collaboration needs, whether the whole team can update the view's configuration or only certain roles can make changes. Permissions here affect the view's settings, not the underlying data access your workspace already enforces. Click Create New View to generate the board. Airtable will now ask you to choose a stacking field. This determines how cards are grouped into columns. A single select field with options such as Backlog, In Progress, and Done usually works best. You can also stack by other supported fields, like a collaborator field if you want columns per assignee. Choose the field that best represents the stages or categories you want to track. When you're happy with the selection, click Done. Your Kanban view appears immediately, with columns corresponding to the options in that stacking field and each record shown as a card. As work moves along, dragging a card from one column to another updates that record's field value behind the scenes, keeping your data consistent across every view. That's it. You've created a Kanban view in Airtable, named it clearly, set the right editing permissions, and defined how cards stack. Use it to spot bottlenecks, balance workloads, and keep progress visible without hunting through rows. Thanks for watching, and enjoy organizing your work with Kanban.